Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best laundry hamper is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential items in maintaining a tidy and organized home, transforming the chaotic pile of dirty clothes into a manageable system that not only saves you time and effort on laundry day but also keeps your living space clutter-free and aesthetically pleasing, making it a surprisingly impactful upgrade for any household. Number 5. Storage MANIAC 3-Section Laundry Sorter. This sorter offers a generous 135-liter capacity, perfect for all your family's laundry needs. Its 3 sections each hold 45 liters, supporting up to 25 pounds of clothes. Each of its 3 bags lifts out effortlessly with sturdy metal handles, making trips to the washer a breeze. They are crafted from durable Oxford fabric with a waterproof lining, ensuring easy cleaning and moisture resistance. Equipped with 4 heavy-duty casters, it glides smoothly across any room. 2 of these wheels lock, keeping it securely in place when you need it stationary and preventing any unwanted movement. Its robust frame is constructed from rust-resistant metal tubing, reinforced with 6 horizontal bars for superior stability. A clever bottom support bar prevents any sagging, even when the bags are completely full. With its 3 distinct compartments, you can easily pre-sort darks, lights, and delicates. This feature helps keep your laundry area tidy and significantly reduces the stress of wash day. What we like? This sorter offers a generous 135L capacity across 3 sections, perfect for family laundry. Its removable bags and smooth rolling, lockable wheels make transport effortless. If you have a busy household and need easy mobility for your laundry, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Storage MANIAC 4-Section Laundry Sorter with Wheels. This innovative sorter simplifies your laundry routine. It features 4 spacious sections, each holding 45 liters, providing a generous 180-liter total capacity perfect for any family's needs. Its individual bags lift out effortlessly with sturdy metal handles, making trips to the washer a breeze. Crafted from durable Oxford fabric with a waterproof lining, they are designed for easy cleaning and moisture resistance. Equipped with 4 heavy-duty casters, this cart moves smoothly across any room. 2 locking wheels ensure it stays securely in place when you need it to, preventing any unwanted movement. Constructed with rust-resistant metal tubing and 6 reinforced horizontal bars, it offers exceptional stability. A clever bottom support bar prevents sagging, even when the bags are completely full. With its 4 distinct compartments, you can easily pre-sort darks, lights, and delicates. This intelligent design keeps your laundry areas tidy and significantly reduces the stress of wash day. What we like? With 4 sections and a massive 180L capacity, this unit takes sorting to the next level. Its heavy-duty frame ensures stability even when fully loaded, and the bags are easily removable. If you need advanced sorting options for a very large family or diverse laundry types, this larger capacity model is ideal. What people say. Number 3. SONGMICS 3-Section Rolling Laundry Hamper URLS 005W01. This hamper features 3 spacious compartments, making laundry sorting a breeze. It can easily accommodate a week's worth of clothes for a multi-person household. Its liner bag is easily removable, allowing you to carry your laundry with convenience. Attached clasps ensure it stays firmly secured to the frame when in use. Constructed with a thick steel frame, it boasts a strong and stable structure. This heavy-duty hamper can support up to 66 pounds of laundry. Equipped with 4 smooth rolling wheels, 2 with brakes, it moves effortlessly and locks securely in place. The convenient handle height saves you from bending over during movement. The liner is crafted from high-quality, tear-resistant Oxford fabric for lasting durability. Its water-repellent coating on the inside simplifies cleaning and maintenance. What we like? Boasting an impressive 200L capacity, this hamper can handle a week's worth of laundry for a multi-person household. Its liner is not only removable but also securely clasped to the sturdy steel frame. If you are looking for the absolute largest capacity and robust construction to manage significant laundry loads, this one is built to last. What people say. Number 2. SONGMICS Laundry Hamper ULCB 365N01. This stylish and versatile laundry hamper is praised for its seamless blend with any decor. Its generous capacity and pre-sorting sections will streamline your laundry routine, making it a must-have for any home. You can easily pre-sort your laundry into darks, lights, and colors with its 3 dedicated sections. The sturdy polyester liner is both removable and washable, ensuring simple maintenance. It features a long pull handle and 4 wheels, 2 of which have brakes, making it a breeze to move or lock in place. For stationary use, you also have the option to replace the wheels with the included feet. This hamper offers a large total capacity of 42.3 gallons. Its 39.6-gallon basket is ideal for organizing your family's laundry, and a convenient 2.6-gallon side pocket is perfect for storing smaller items like underwear. Its breathable, waterproof PP rattan helps your clothes stay dry and well ventilated. A sturdy metal frame makes this rolling laundry hamper robust enough to hold up to 77 pounds. Clear instructions and a simple structure allow for easy and quick assembly. You can also simply fold it away for easy storage and transport, whether you're moving or not using it. What we like. This hamper stands out with its stylish synthetic rattan design, blending seamlessly into any decor. It includes a convenient lid for discretion and a side pocket for small items, plus the flexibility of wheels or stationary feet. If you like a sophisticated look that also offers practical features like odor control and versatile placement, this elegant option is perfect. What people say. Number 1. 185L Laundry Hamper 3-section with lid. This hamper is built to last. Its robust 8-rod structure and reinforced base ensure it stays rigid, even when full. You can trust it won't collapse or deform over time. With a massive 185-liter capacity, it easily holds a week's worth of laundry for your family. This means fewer trips to the laundry room and more free time for you. Its 3 compartments allow for easy pre-sorting of lights, darks, and colors. Plus, the removable bags make transferring laundry to the machine a breeze, eliminating messy transfers. The sturdy lid keeps your laundry out of sight and traps odors, maintaining a fresh home. It even doubles as a decorative surface, enhancing your room's aesthetic. Setting it up takes just 1 minute with its simple rod design. When not in use, it folds flat for convenient storage, perfect for any space. What we like. This hamper offers an impressive 185L capacity, ensuring you can tackle a week's worth of family laundry with ease. Its thick 8-rod structure and MDF reinforced base provide excellent stability and durability, preventing collapse or deformation. If you prioritize long-term reliability and a tidy home with hidden laundry and odor control, this robust and discreet choice is for you. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.